Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for troubleshooting and optimizing your computer, resetting your BIOS. Whether you're encountering hardware issues, need to restore default settings, or want to overclock your system, knowing how to reset your BIOS can be a lifesaver. What is BIOS? Before we get started, let's quickly recap what BIOS actually is. BIOS is firmware that's built into your motherboard. It initializes hardware components during the boot process and provides settings that allow you to control various aspects of your computer's hardware. Step 1. Accessing the BIOS setup. Power on your computer and watch for the BIOS EFI splash screen. Depending on your motherboard manufacturer, press the designated key, often Dell F2, F10, or ESC, to enter the BIOS setup. Step 2. Load optimized defaults. Optional. Once in BIOS, navigate to the Exit or Main tab. Look for an option like Load Optimized Defaults or Load Setup Defaults. Select it and confirm to load default BIOS settings. This can resolve many issues without a full reset. Step 3. Resetting the BIOS. If loading defaults didn't resolve your issue, power off your computer completely. Open your computer case if necessary to locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. Use a flat-headed screwdriver to gently pry out the CMOS battery. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure all residual power is drained from the motherboard. Reinsert the CMOS battery carefully. Close your computer case and plug your computer back in. Step 4. Powering up. Power on your computer and enter BIOS setup again by pressing the designated key. Verify that your BIOS settings have been reset to default. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting your BIOS doesn't have to be intimidating. Remember, it's a powerful tool for fixing various hardware and performance issues on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have questions or other topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.